परम प्रतापी राजकुल शिरोमणि राजाओं के राजा संबलगढ़ के युवराज विक्रम सिंह राठौड़ पधार रहे हैं।
I wanted to ask you, your styling is really good.
Thank
You are
you.
looking very stylish. तो उसके बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए that how
I'm
did
not
you come-
supposed to look stylish in the film, but thanks anyway.
funky and all.
It's very cool, yeah. Karuna Longani has done the styling. और ये सब हाई स्ट्रीट के कपड़े हैं and it's supposed to be, she's supposed to be like very colorful. It's like a rainbow is vomited on her. Can I say that, right? Yeah. So, yeah, she doesn't know what she puts together when she wakes up in the morning. So she mixes anything and wears anything because she's just having fun with herself and her clothes.
Okay, one more question. अगर आपको real life में रत्ना पाठक शाह जैसी मतलब सासू माँ मिल जाए तो आप क्या करोगे इतनी strict?
मतलब पता नहीं बट इवेंचुअली सब ठीक ही हो जाता है ना लाइफ में. Water finds its balance.
Okay, my question to Fawad. My friends are very big fan of you from your serial Zindagi Gulzar Hai till now.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
I told you all the girls find you very hot, yeah.
बहुत मेहरबानी है. Thank you.
आप अपने इस जर्नी के बारे में हमें बताइए प्लीज. From Pakistan to India to Bollywood.
First of all, जब मुझे contact किया गया for the role, I think it's a very big honor for me to be a part of this production, to be a part of this production family. और जब मेरी मुलाकात हुई इनसे और जब आप बात आगे बढ़ी, I found it to be very interesting. And most of all, I think, throughout the production, I'll just keep it very short, I found the treatment, the way I was treated and the way I was welcomed to be very family-like, very warm. So, all in all, ये जो पूरे का पूरा journey रहा, it's been a very interesting episode in my life. बहुत मज़ा आया और बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो कि खुद जब आप देखते हैं, जब खुद एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं आके फर्स्ट हैंड, तो आपको एहसास होता है कि थिंग्स आर वेरी डिफरेंट एज इट इज़ पोर्ट्रेड इन मीडिया कंपेयर टू व्हाट इट इज़ पोर्ट्रेड इन मीडिया. तो यहाँ पर देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ लव, अ लॉट ऑफ वार्मथ और मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया and I hope that you guys enjoyed as much as we had fun in making it.
सोनम here.
हाँ जी,
Who has a mic? ये आपकी होम प्रोडक्शन की फिल्म है.
नहीं, डिज्नी एंड होम
Disney
प्रोडक्शन.
and home production.
कॉम्बिनेशन है.
या तो पहला सवाल तो ये है कि
हाँ जी.
ये खूबसूरत के आप लोगों ने मतलब राइट्स खरीदे थे.
हाँ जी.
ओके, तो ये उसकी हूबहू रीमेक तो नहीं है.
जी.
ओके, और मतलब दूसरा ये कि होम प्रोडक्शन की फिल्म होने के नाते कितनी ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप फील कर रही थी?
जी, मैं तो सिर्फ एक्टर हूँ, ये मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सिर्फ शशांक और रिया की है. मैंने तो सिर्फ एक्टिंग की है. When I take on a job as an actor, I only concentrate on doing that. नहीं तो एक लफड़ा हो जाता है. You know, you have to just do your best with what you've got. Because if you start thinking about कि यार responsibility है, you know, my sister's making the film. I've known Sid for like I don't know how many years. इन्होंने इतनी मतलब he's had so much faith. He's decided to make this film with us, and then Shashank also is making a film after so many years. If I start thinking about all of that, तो मैं सुबह काम पे जा नहीं पाऊंगी. So it's just a matter of taking each day and enjoying my work and saying that I'll be a selfish actor. I will do the best I can with this role.
रिया के लिए कितना या आपके लिए कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा ये इस फिल्म को बनाना और आयशा के बाद या फिर से प्रूव करना होगा मतलब?
I feel that if I didn't have a partner like Shashank, then it would have been challenging, but it was just fun. We had the idea, we went to Goa together with our writer, and we just had a blast, and you know, we just laughed and had a good time and wrote it and then worked really hard. And he's a really good friend of mine and a really good collaborator, and so it is a challenge at times, but mostly it's just fun. So I've really had a good time. It's been one of the greatest experiences of my life. And then once we got, into a partnership with Disney, it just got even better because it's so good to work with people who you, vibe with. You have a cultural sensibility with you. They understand you and you understand them. So for me, it just seemed organic and very natural, like an extension of what we always wanted to do. And the film is such that just makes you happy. I'm not really ready to make depressing films yet. When I will be, I'll do it, maybe a little later on. But I just like to make happy films that make other people happy. So for me, it's, just a rewarding experience. It's been great.
चेंजेस क्या क्या हैं शशांक, if you can share? आपके right.
I think original Khoobsurat se we've taken it a little forward into the area of romance. So the original one was just a clash of values and families, basically values within families. I think we've just taken it a little further, but we've held on to the core idea there.
I'd like to ask Sonam. Here.
Hi.
Here.
हाँ, see you. हाँ,
You're
okay.
looking somewhere else.
Where? Okay, hi.
First of all, I really love the trailer. It's too interesting.
Thank you.
आप ट्रेलर में बहुत शरारती, चुलबुली, नटखट सी लग रही हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो सेट पे भी इतनी मस्ती की.
Oh God, Shashank, I'm supposed to say
I'd like to tell him something.
नहीं, क्या हो गया था, प्रॉब्लम ये है बिकॉज शशांक एंड रिया एंड द राइटर्स न्यू मी सो वेल. उन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर बहुत, आई थिंक हर फिल्म में सब पूछते हैं कि इज दिस कैरेक्टर लॉट लाइक यू, इज दिस कैरेक्टर लॉट लाइक यू. दे वेरी shamelessly taken every part of my personality and exposed me completely in this film. If any character has ever been close to who I am as a person, it's Mrinalini, Millie, Dr. Millie, and it's embarrassing and it's amazing and it was a very annoying thing on set. I was like, ये तो मेरे life में हुआ था, ये scene कैसे आ गया इस film में? So Riya was like, yeah, I'm sorry. Shashank was like, oh, I didn't think of it that way. I was like, you're such a liar. So yeah, they've basically, हाँ, तो ये basically मेरी personality है.
विक्रम को भी परेशान किया सेट.
हाँ,
अगर
बहुत
विक्रम कुछ बोलना चाहे उस पे.
torture किया है.
टॉर्चर विक्रम सही कह रही हैं वो.
Fawad Torture Khan.
नहीं, not at all. I think रोल की हद तक, I think जिस तरह रोल निभाया है उसके अंदर I think उन्होंने बहुत torture किया. That was a part of her job and she really played it very aptly to the letter. But as a co-star, she's a very accommodating person, very warm and very welcoming, and extremely supportive. So I used to take my time settling in. मेरे लिए it was a completely alien environment, completely new environment, and not just her, everyone, Riya, Shashank, the whole production team, Manoj, Saurabh, all of them, even down to our help. Names like Preetham, Bharat, everyone all together, they just like made sure that we were completely comfortable.
There's
So,
also Ratna ji and Kiran ji you've worked
जी बिल्कुल,
with.
all
उनके
of
साथ
them,
कैसा
the whole
experience
family.
है?
It was an amazing experience. Like I said, मेरे लिए एक नई environment में काम करना, एक नए माहौल में काम करना. For me, for a person like me, I consider myself to be a bit of a social recluse. Coming out and interacting with new people is a bit of a task for me. So I think they left no stone. कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी उन्होंने इस काम में कि मुझे comfortable किया जाए और for it to be an enjoyable experience.
So, ma'am, what made you make a film like Khoobsurat, which is a Rishikesh Mukherjee
Where
film?
are you? Hi.
There are so many Rishikesh Mukherjee cult classics. So what made you opt for this specific remake? And do you feel you have done justice to a role that Rekha has made so memorable?
I don't think I can do justice to anything Rekha has done. But the idea of, I don't know why Shashank and Riya and everybody else decided to be a part of this film and to make this film. But for me, I feel these days, there are very few films that are wholesome and that mean something and that have great values. And at the same time, they're lots of fun. And I think Rishikesh Mukherjee was one of the last few directors who made films like Goody and Millie and Khoobsurat and all of them that actually had that vibe which appealed to everybody, said something, had a message, and were happy, fun films. And those kind of films, I think maybe Raju Hirani is making them these days. And I think Khoobsurat is one of the other ones which I really wanted to be a part of, because I don't think a good film is necessarily a good film because it's dark or depressing, or somebody's dying or dead at the end of the film. I think it can be fun, and it can mean something, and it can be light, and at the same time, I think we are going through too much in India and in our lives to not have a happy place that says something. And I think cinema has always been my happy place. And I grew up on Hrishikesh Mukherjee films, and for me, this is an ode to Hrishikesh Mukherjee. It's not necessarily Khoobsurat that was the old Khoobsurat, but this is an ode to his filmmaking. To me, that's what it is. Yeah.
Do you feel what was relevant in the 80s is still relevant today?
I think what is relevant to humankind will always be relevant. That is love, happiness, family values, and looking forward. I don't think human values ever change.
Fawad, have you seen the older Khoobsurat, as in the first Khoobsurat? And aapne apne liye, how did you set the bar for yourself after seeing that one? If at all you've seen it.
जब इन्होंने इनिशियली बात की थी इस फिल्म के लिए, तो सबसे पहले what I did my homework. I went and watched the old movie. I think in its own right, it's a timeless classic of its own era. And this movie, if I'm permitted to say, is very different from that. It draws inspiration in a lot of ways, लेकिन हर तरह से मतलब बहुत aspects में ये बहुत मुख्तलिफ है उससे. तो उसके लिए जो प्रिपेयर करना था या जो ग्राउंड वर्क करना था, बिकॉज आई थिंक उसमें जो राकेश रोशन साहब का जो रोल है उसके अंदर, दैट इज फ्रॉम अ नाइस एजुकेटेड फैमिली, एंड ही प्लेज द रोल ऑफ अ डॉक्टर. एंड बट इस फिल्म के अंदर जो रोल है, विच एज ऑपोजिट सोनम, it's that of a Rajput prince, and it is in a completely different world altogether. तो एज होमवर्क मैंने देखा ज़रूर, लेकिन मुझे लगा नहीं कि वहाँ से एग्जैक्टली कोई चीज़ उठाई जा सकती है इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म. सो दैट वे आई थिंक इट वाज नॉट दैट मच ऑफ अ टेस्ट टू मी, बिकॉज कोई एक ऐसे मशहूर पर्सनालिटी या एक्टर का को से इंस्पायर होके उन्हीं का रोल फिर से निभाना, आई थिंक इट बिकम्स अ चैलेंज. सो आई टुक द ईजी वे आउट.
Fawad, a question for you.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Fawad, a question for you
Ji.
On your left-hand side. How difficult was the transition from, working in Pakistan, working in films and TV in Pakistan, and then doing this here? How difficult or easy was it, and what were the differences sort of that you can, pinpoint? This is the way you guys work in Pakistan in terms of making films, and this is the way it works in India.
In my experience, I only have one film under the belt, and before this, and that was a film called Khuda Ke Liye that I'd done many years ago, and I think that was my first acting project ever. Uske baad se I've worked a lot on television in Pakistan. So primarily the difference in the working style, it was very obvious, which obviously had me nervous, is in television you're able to execute whatever you're doing over a number of episodes. For film, you have only, let's say, a very limited amount of time to win the heart of the audiences. So I think the pressure mounts on a great deal more than it would when you're working on television. As far as the working, the way we operate there, the way we've operated here, I really can't really comment on the difference, because that was for television and this for film. And the film that I had done earlier, I think that was after a very long, there'd been a very long period of silence in cinema in Pakistan. It had gone down a great deal, and we were in the efforts of reviving it. We've seen a very colorful past in cinema in Pakistan, but sadly for a while it had sort of reclined or taken a back seat, and television had come to the front, and music had come to the front. So my participation was mostly in television media, and had been off and on in music. So here, the first camera I here rolled in India in 1912, if I'm not wrong. So you people have 100 years of experience. So for me, I think it was more of a learning opportunity more than anything else, and I'm grateful for that.
Okay, media, thank you so much. We would like to end the Q&A on this note. Thank you.